Back to Beauty by Dave. This is a special episode. We're doing a special middle of the week episode today because why not? At Beauty by Dave, there are no rules. Today we're gonna feature the Revolution Skin Silk Luminous Serum Foundation, and this is not good. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know, I heard maybe once I heard this, that it was maybe like a dupe or something for the Armani Luminous Silk, which everybody knows is like my favorite #1 foundation. And so I honestly fucks with Revolution. I do. It's fun. It's a fun little brand. There's some products that are really good. Like honestly, this Super Dewy Liquid Blush from Revolution is one of my favorite products of all time. Maybe because it was one of my first products that I ever liked. Maybe that's why. Don't know. But some Revolution products do kind of suck because they do make a lot of them. So I tried this Revolution Skin Silk and I just feel like it was absolutely terrible. Oops. I feel like it was just cakey. Powdery. It looked absolutely like I had makeup immediately. It looked terrible. I felt terrible. But we're going to give it another go. We're going to try again on camera, see what happens. Maybe it'll be the magic. And then we're going to just do a mini comparison. We're going to do a quick little mini comparison. We're going to put some Skin Silk on the left side of our face here. And then we're going to put some of the Armani on the right side of our face here. We're going to just see if there's a difference, okay? I'm already primed up, ready to go. So here we go. We're going to put just a little dollop because we're not doing the whole face. All right, I got my own foundation brush. We got the Revolution Skin Silk. Oh my gosh. By the way, please comment, like, and subscribe. Hello. Welcome to Beauty by Dave, where we do beginner boy beauty, where we just play with makeup for fun. And then if anybody has any recommendations for primers, please do let me know what you might think would be a good primer to try. I've tried the e.l.f. Liquid Putty, thinking like, oh, everybody loves it. I don't know. It doesn't seem to do anything to the pores. They seem completely all there, the same. And then I've tried that milk foam, which is just, I don't like the smell of it very much. But if you guys have a good primer that actually works to kind of fill in those pores a little bit, that would be fantastic. Okay, so we're going to do the left side of the face here. Just going to do our little brush thing. And all right, we're just going to kind of go to town here and see what happens. All right. We did the shade F6 for me. All right, we're going to try to just stick to the left side of the face. We're going to stipple on like we usually do. It does have a nice glow. It oddly has it does sort of smell almost exactly like the Armani, which is kind of strange. It's like they put the smell in there. Okay. So I think, oh gosh, I can see it immediately. It fills all the pores. It looks terrible immediately. All right, let's get the eye. All right, I don't know if I'm just like super picky. All right, well, okay, we have our other brush. Okay, we're gonna just do a little bit of our Armani now. Okay, just a little bit on there. All right, a little bit. There you go, nice little dollop. Dollop of daisy, never hurt nobody. All right, let me just do a little brush thingy. Gosh, I'm like out of breath. Oh my gosh. He's like, what is he, all calfed up or something? Oh, just what a great day. It's like Wednesday. It's like the middle of the day. Oh, put that right on the forehead. Man, look at that. We're just going to stipple this all on the right side. Okay, stipple. This is going to be interesting to see if we can even tell the difference. Okay. Oh, gosh. Oh. Gosh, the smell of this one is so good. I've been asking if anybody knows. No, I don't think I asked about this smell. I think I've been asking about the Dior. But the Armani does smell really nice and luxe as well. Okay, now we've kind of got that on there. All right, let's just kind of do a little deep dive here. Do we see anything, folks? All right, let's see if we can get you plugged in. All right, there's the Armani side. I mean, it doesn't sort of look like skin. It doesn't look super makeup-y. It looks a little makeup-y over here. Let's see if we can pack that in just a little bit. Yeah, there's a little bit of makeup-y coming through over there on that side, okay? The forehead looks pretty clear, though. All right, let's look at the Revolution side. Okay. Well, I mean, we can see that same amount over there. Nice. I do really nice up the nose shots. It's really fun. It's really fun. Let's see here. The forehead, I mean, this one looks super skin. This one does look almost like there's something there, but oh, you can't even see what I'm looking at. There you go. Well, so there's the Armani side, Revolution, Skin Silk side. Boom, boom, boom. Interesting. Okay, well, now let's see how it plays with other products. Let's put a little bit of our favorite Simi Haze Beauty Bronzer, a really nice bronzer balm. There we go. And we're going to use, this is our Revolution brush side. So here we go. A little bit up there. We're just going to put a little bit on and just see what this does. All right, that wasn't much. Oh my gosh. Nice, 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 nice. Okay. Now let's put a little bit of the Simi Haze bronzer onto the other side of our Armani. All right, there we go. I'll pop up there. Just bring that down to the face. Boop, 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 boop. Oh man. It's about to be summer. You guys excited for that? What you guys doing? What's your plans? Where you going? You on vacay? Okay, we got a little bit of bronzer. All right, what do you think? Armani side. You didn't do very good up there. And Skin Silk side. Honestly, I'm not sure. There's just a whole lot of difference. I mean, this one seems like there might be a little bit more texture on the Skin Silk side. But, you know, honestly, it's not as bad as the first time. The first time I might have used too much product. Maybe if you don't use as much, it's better. Which, that's what we've always been saying. Okay, now let's put on a little bit of blush. See how that does. We use this Milk Makeup blush, our jelly tint. We love this jelly tint. Let's see how this sits. All right, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bam, 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 bam. And let's hit the cheek. We're just gonna use the same brush. Hit the Armani side first. Okay. Did we do nothing? We did. But that's a really nice little blush look for me. If it looks like nothing, you did it right. All right, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's try this side. Dot on, looks like almost nothing. Buff that out just a little bit. Stipple it down, just a little bitty. All right, I'm gonna do this summer thing. Okay, we're gonna use the Armani brush. All right. Yeah. Okay, well, anyway. So we got a little bit of this milk blush. Doesn't do much. All right, let's try and see. There's one side. That's the Armani. Then we got Skin Silk. Skin Silk side. Armani side. I mean, I'm definitely biased towards the Armani. I think it might look just like 2% better, you know? Sometimes that's all you need. Okay, then we put a little bit of that jelly on. Then we're going to put just a little bit of this NYX powder blush. Just to see how the powder blush is on top. Kind of went to town. Oh. Oh, God, I love a pop of blush in the morning. Oh. Oh, that's great. All right, let's put a little bit more on this side. Doom, 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 doom. Oh my gosh, I've been loving these NYX Buttermilk blushes. I got this color. I got the raspberry color. Then I got the bronzer. Oh, we're out of time, guys, so we gotta wrap this up. But that buttermilk shit is dog. Oh, that looks fantastic. Okay, so how's that sitting? All right, Armani side. There you go. Revolution Skin Silk side. There you go. Boom, boom, boom. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put just a little bit of powder to finish up. Because we got to see what our finishing powder looks like. Because that might be the big difference maker here. Okay, we got our one size. Put out there. We're going to do our Revolution side with a Revolution brush. Oh my gosh, you got it all up in the hair. That was funny. I'm doing it with my left hand. That's very strange. I've never used my left hand before. I'm just being very careful about this whole, taking this very seriously. This is a serious comparison. This is a serious makeup channel. It's not a joke. Don't laugh. Don't laugh at me. Don't laugh at me. Okay, there's some powder. All right, now we're going to do powder on the Armani shade. Oh, bang, 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 bang. All right, love that powder, love that powder. Great, little setting powder to set that day up for success. Then you know what we're going to do next. We're going to pop off on our Charlotte Tilbury. We're going to talk and get it in our mouth. It tastes so good, girl. It doesn't taste that bad. You know, it's only a little bit chemically. You know, it's okay. Oh, honestly, I feel like pretty good right now. All right, we're gonna set that spray, pat that down the LA Lines way. Got a random hair. All right, one more little pat down the Revo side. Bang, bang, bang. Okay. Well, girls, that's it. That's the face. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Hello. So my name's Dave. What do you think? Okay. Armani. Let's try to get you a shot. Armani side. Revolution Skin Silk side. All right, folks. Honestly, I thought there was going to be a drastic difference. You know, I don't see much of a difference at all, girls. Honestly, the name of this video is, you know, Revolution Skin Silk Luminous Serum Foundation is bad. But now it just earned itself a question mark. I have to put a question mark on that because now I don't know if it's bad. This video was to be clear that I don't just say I like everything. I'm not just one of those. I just don't like everything, okay? You know, sometimes I don't like things. And I planned to do this video and not like this. So, you know, it's sort of annoying that it doesn't look bad because I wanted it to look bad. And it's not that hard for me to make makeup look bad. You know, it's easy. It's easy for me to do that. But this is a possibly not bad product. I don't know. So this is a terrible review. I gave you no answers of any kind. Should you buy this? I don't know. I can't tell you one way or the other. But you be the judge. And you have a great day. Because it's a beautiful day out there in the world. And we're going to see you soon. All right. Bye-bye.